Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Chrome settings. And in this video, I will show you how to set microphone access permission for Google Gemini AI without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is open up your Chrome browser, and the next thing you want to do is to come to the top right here, click on these three dots, and the next thing you want to do is to scroll down until you get to settings right here. And then next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to AI in Chrome, click on that, and then you are here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Gemini in Chrome right here. This one right here, go ahead and click on here. And then it's going to open up the Gemini setting right here. Scroll down right here until you get to microphone right here. Use your microphone to chat with Gemini. When you speak to Gemini, audio is stored in Gemini app activity. If it is on, go ahead and turn it on, and you are done. With that, anytime you want to use Gemini mic, it's going to be fully access to your microphone in your Chrome browser. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Gemini settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.